Hey guys, I'm going to show you the right way to put the line on your weed whacker. So depress these two. I've already got them partially pushed down, but push on both of those. This top will pop off. Now cut yourself about 12 feet of this trimmer line. Grab one end, stick it down in here. It's going to come out that hole there. It's going to come out this hole there. Pull it all the way through so you've got equal parts on each side, 50-50. Two equal lengths coming this way. Okay, now you're going to take this end, that's the end that comes through here, and you're going to come back around and put it through here, up there, and then it's going to come out this hole. Now pull that all the way through. There we go. You can kind of see it's doubled back on itself just a little bit, but you'll notice that'll allow these things to wrap both the same way. This one will go this way, and they're both going the same direction, but that's going to go for the upper shelf up there. Now all you do is you take each end and slide it through those eyelets. Still got all your length out here. Now you just pop that baby back on. Pop that in there. And you'll wind it this way.